Hi, I'm Ollie, and we're making another hero drink today. Today we're going to be making a very Eastery kind of drink. I like to call it the Rosy Bunny because it's kind of like chocolate orange, Turkish delighty, kind of really nice stuff. What we're going to be using to make it is our Sweetbird rose syrup, the creative one, Sweetbird orange syrup, and our organic Zuma hot chocolate. So what we're going to do first is we're going to get 1 scoop, 30 grams of chocolate powder. I'm going to make our sauce first. To make the mix, I'm going to add about 30 to 40 grams of hot water and give it a really good whisk. So now we're going to start building the drink. First of all, we're going to go 2 pumps of orange, 1 pump of rose, ice, milk, and finally add our chocolate mix to the top. Oh yeah. You know what, actually? We're going to add a shot of espresso into that as well. Just to get that kind of extra kick. It's a very sweet drink, so that espresso, just kind of the bitterness of it, will just kind of balance it out a little bit more. That's Rosy Bunny, with or without an espresso, tastes great.